Hey guys, good day to you. Welcome back. Kind of a different video, probably going to be a short one. Y'all have seen my box before. I got this thing many moons ago. It was a discontinued color, like right when they finished making these. And some of you saw when I procured this roll cart here, which matches. And the reason I bought this is just how well it matches next to the other box. And again, discontinued paint color. Today I get to work and I find on one of the tool trucks this guy. Same box, double bank, not triple, same color. So now I'm building the giant blue Matco wall of toolboxes. This is a, I don't know, 2008 Toyota something. I don't even know what it is. I don't have a work order yet. Let's go find out. Corolla? Yeah, it's a Corolla. All right. Oh wait, Toyota Corolla. Customer states that there is some kind of a red liquid dripping from underneath of the vehicle. So let's go get this on a lift, figure out what's up. Looks like we have here approximately 96,043 miles on the odometer. Booyah, right there, we're good. Parking is the auto and powering down. We have evidence of people having been here recently. Let's see what's going on. Okie dokes. Looking around from up here, I don't see a red liquid. I understand it's not going to drip from up here. I'm just seeing if it's an up high leak that makes its way down low. Looks pretty dry from what I can see around here. Oh, I see a little bit of a... Oh, then never mind. That's my floor. Okay. Well, what's in there? It's too hot. Not opening that. Those warning, caution, danger messages are serious. You don't want to mess with those. There's a little bit of leaking action going on here. See this crusty buildup? I bet this cap is on its way out, so to speak. All right, flip this thing up. Take a look at the undercarriages. Ah, perfect. My lift is calibrated for this Toyota already. This is good. I'll flip that around. Next. That side's not calibrated. Let's readjust this a little bit. There we go. There. Okay, green subscribe button. Moving on up. That's high enough. So I can tell this used to be a body shop guy's toolbox because all like the sanding dust and stuff that's on it and in it. Definitely a body shop guy. But I thank him for trading in his box so I could procure it, because that's just cool. It's not as deep as the other one, but I think I can make do with the depth that it has. What I think I'm going to do is take this and put it over here underneath of my cabinet, and then these guys, I can roll them down and they'll take up that space over there, thus making more effective use of the space right here, because that one's a little bit shorter than this one. That's my thought process. And maybe I can find a home to put all this other stuff that finds itself piled up without a home, like some of that stuff down there, and maybe some of that stuff up there and in there. We'll see. But yes, I have added to the collection. I have waited a decade to locate. I used one of these that was the same color, and now it's mine. Well, let's see. I found a drip right here. The drain plug is leaking. That's not red, that's oil colored. But this one is red. Look, the transmission is leaking at the pan. Huh. Oh no, it's probably just leaking at that drain plug right there. I speculate that this has recently been serviced, and that is the condition in which it was left in. Let's see if these are tight. So I've got a sneaky suspicion that this is someone's oversight on both of these little plugs right here, and that this video is going to end up being a non-official training video. Now let's see if it's loose. Oh, look at that. Like, did that with fingertips, guys. Look at that. This is an epic fail. Big time. Click. That's why it leaked. You didn't say click. Let's check out this one over here. See if that one's loose or not. What do we need? 3/8? Let's go find out. I might have one. Let's see here. Where are you? 3/8? Do I have one? There's one. A little bit longer. Let's see. You gonna fit? Too big. Too small. The fastener was too big. The probe is too small. There we go. So what's up from 3/8? I don't know. 7/16? No, that's gonna be too big. Let's try metric. I bet it's metric. Negative. Affirmative. All right. And I need 1/2 inch. Yeah, 1/2 inch drive. Let's see if this one's tight or not. Yeah, that was kind of tight. Yeah, that feels pretty tight. I bet that little crush washer wasn't replaced. We need to get a crush washer. You know what? Let's get a new one for that drain plug too. I'm gonna go order that stuff, and that's what I'm gonna do first to fix this. Alrighty, well, first things first, I need to clean this thing. And I do believe some penetrating oil action will handle this one no problem. Penetrating oil is an excellent cleaner and degreaser. Give it a good old wiping down. Yeah, it's got some years of use on it. But we'll get it nice. Because if it's gonna be all messed up and filthy, it's gonna be my filth. Nice and shiny. Ooh. I really hope the guy that owned this first sees this video, because that would be awesome. Because you have made my collection more complete. And I thank you for that. And I also congratulate you on your new toolbox. There we go. Shiny. Okie dokie. So our dude with this car is gonna take it back to like where he got this done at. I'm just gonna make this nice and tight for them. Click. That way it doesn't leak anymore, I guess. And I'll spray it off so it stops wrecking his driveway. So at this point, I'd like to thank you guys for watching my non-repair. Oh man, I messed up. There we go. Thank you guys for watching my non-repair. I'm gonna let this down and top off this trans just a little bit for him. And check the oil level too while we're there, just to make sure that that's good. The guy has to leave and he has to go to work or something, and can't dilly-dally around while I call up Toyota and try to get some parts. Toyota going down. Down, down, down. Medic! Yeah, this is gonna take a while, guys. There's a lot of stuff going on here. And do this the expedited way, I think. At least just get rid of the chunks. super shiny. Nasty. Air. Alrighty, so I kind of got this put back together. I got it as clean as I can reasonably get. I would, well, I can get it cleaner, but I'm not going to spend that much more time on it. I'll do that over the length of time. I've been blowing a lot of this dust out, but there's more dust behind it, and I'll just keep wiping it down as time moves on. So I think what I'll do next is figure out what to put inside of here. Now these drawers are a lot smaller than the other drawers on my other two boxes, so I don't want to go and put things in here that I use primarily. Maybe I'll do some electrical stuff or odds and ends, I don't know yet. But I do know I want to take the big speaker and put that over here. And I'm thinking of swapping out the cart in this box, vice versa. I'm undecided on that yet. I'm kind of just going to start moving things into it, and then I'm going to see how I like the way that it evolves. I do want to remove, loud noises, I do want to remove this handle, because I'm thinking about bolting this box to one of the other ones. So we'll see, but I don't like the handle. Almost there. Okay, the project continues. We're on to the next day. Taking the big speaker out of the roll cart and moved it over. And I started to pull some of the drawers out. I do have some stuff inside of the drawers, but since they're out, I decided I wanted to grease these bearings, so I've just got a little bit of wheel bearing grease here. I've just been kind of rubbing that into the ball bearings just a wee little bit, just to add some lubrication. This has been in a very dusty body shop atmosphere for a while, and the drawers were a little rough, but some lube will assist that. I've already got a few things in my top drawer, not really, some pry bars. This is an electrical drawer now. That's going to be an electrical drawer. That one's rivets and rivet guns, some flashlights. I've got boxes, some cool wrenches and sockets and whatnot. Yeah, we're getting somewhere. It's coming together. Oh yeah, much more smoother. Yeah, this one feels crusty, 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 less crusty. We're getting somewhere. Yeah, that was gross. All right, so since I got a lot of my drawers filled, I'm doing pretty good here. Got my diag stuff. Big and little rivet guns. Ooh, oil filter cutter opening tool. I got space made for a lot of my big stuff, my ratchet straps, all my unorganized stuff that was on that shelf has found a new home. However, this is not officially my box yet, and the reason I say that is it has no stickers of my personal identification on it. Fortunately, I happen to have some, and my buddy A-Rod from Power Stroke Tech Talk sent me some of these, and I do believe I have a new sticker to install. I think I like the red one best on the blue, so I'm gonna put Power Stroke Tech Talk sticker right over here. I'll put a link to his YouTube channel down in this video's description. You guys can go to check him out. He runs a live stream every Wednesday at 9 o'clock Eastern time, to which I normally attend. So if you're interested in such things, pay attention to my posts on Wednesday afternoons, and I'll send you the link over to our live stream. If I can get this sticker off right here. One-handed. Yeah, that's not gonna work. I can do many things one-handed, except for things that require me to be two-handed. So I'm thinking right about, nope, I don't like it. Here, I know what we're gonna do. We're gonna do this the proper way. We'll use that structure there to square the sticker off. Yeah, there we go. Now we're cooking with Crisco. All right, it's officially my box with Aaron's name on it. Now these ones, I'll figure out a new home for these later. It's been christened. Now I can build the Mr. Big Wall out of Matco boxes. And don't forget to check us out at Power Stroke Tech Talk with A-Rod on live stream every Wednesday, 9 p.m. Eastern. See you guys there. All right, guys, I think this one's gonna about close it out. Hope you guys like my hybrid style video. If you did like this video, you know the drill. Let me know about that by tapping that like button down below. If you did not enjoy this video, I won't do one like this again if you let me know in the comment section also down below. So again, and as always, thank you for watching, and most importantly, don't forget to have yourselves a great day. See you guys later.